Hello and welcome to another Lightroom tutorial. Today we'll be creating this type of preset, and it comes very handy if you have images which were taken when the weather was a little grey and rainy. For example, this one. This is the before image, and yes, you can see rain, grey, and somehow the image doesn't really pop, look nice if you know what I mean. And this preset will help you to make the images look a little bit nicer, and even though it was grey and rainy, and it will turn it into more like a bluish and pinkish type of image. And yeah, I would say let's get started. So first we will start with the basics. And in order to get this blue pinkish type of look, we will change already the temperature a little bit. The temperature we will go to -20. And the tint we will go to +20. Next we will increase the exposure a little bit, because I find that because of the grey weather, the whites don't really show. They have like a little greyish type of film on top of them, and yes, we would like to bring those up a little bit again. So we will put the exposure to 0.35. We will give it a tiny bit of contrast, +15. Then next we will bring the highlights up to +40. The shadows will be bringing to 40. And the whites to 50. And the blacks to +17. And next, like I have mentioned in my previous videos, I always like to give the images a tiny bit of clarity. Not a lot, we don't want to overdo it, but a little bit always enhances the image a little bit more, at least that's my opinion. And I will bring it like about 18. And like I also mentioned before already, presets can always look different. It depends on your image, the color grading of your original image. So it might be possible that you might have to do some settings differently, change them a little bit, but that is no problem. Yeah, great. Next we will go to tone curve, and there we will just bring up the highlights a tiny bit to like about +17 also. So next is going to be the HSL. So here we would like to change the orangey reddish type of tones into more the pinkish type of look. So therefore we will bring the red almost all the way down. We bring it down like to -92. Or 90 is alright too. The orange is going to be all the way back to -100. The yellow we will bring to -88. And the purple we will also bring to -100. And magenta we will bring to +82. Right. Next we will work out a little bit with saturation, and there we will bring up the red to +15. And the orange to -25. And the purple to +20. And that's practically it for the HSL. Let's see. Yeah, so it has changed already a lot, our image. Gave it a little bit more of a bluish type of tone, and like I had mentioned, the orange and red is more into like a magenta type of look. And yes, next will be split toning. Here I have also mentioned to you, if you press the Alt key, you're able to see the colors that you're applying to the image. If you don't hold the Alt key and you move the slider around, you don't see nothing because the saturation is on 0. And of course you can bring up the saturation a little bit and then move the slider above, but to help your workflow, just press the Alt key and then you'll see where you're going. And here the highlights will be bringing to 314, which is going to be more like a magenta type of look, and the saturation will bring to 10. We don't want to exaggerate it. The shadows we will bring to 213, which is more like the bluish type, bluish color look, and saturation to 5. So now we just change the balance a little bit. We'll bring it up to 50. Right, and that's it for split toning. Yeah, and this is practically the finished preset. As you can see, not a lot of changes, and you get those results. And I hope you liked this little tutorial. If you did, please subscribe for future presets, Lightroom presets and tutorials. And yeah, I wish you a nice day, and see you next time. Bye bye.